Hi, you made a comment on my last submission that my project doesn't work, you couldn't open it, and it wasn't matching the description that I added over there, so I just wanted to make a quick video and just go over it. So I updated the GitHub really quick just to make sure that everything is up to date. And here the source code, it's already running. So we go to the local host over here, and we go to the home page. It was one of your requirements. So I created an app which called the Drawville, which helps kids to color and draw on canvas. Here's the welcome page with explaining what it is. I embedded a video tutorial how to draw a Masha and a bear. I have a footer, I have a theme roller added, and I wanted to make it a little bit fun because I really didn't like those themes that we were creating ourselves because they were kind of boring to me. So I just threw this background image over there. Then on the second page we have a canvas. I was playing with this. So on the canvas we can take colors over here, and we can draw and color rabbits, and we have elastic that we can clean up our mess, and then we can save the art, and when we go to the library we're gonna see our rabbit saved over here. And my fourth page is my coloring book, so you can choose between the rabbit, the birdie, the Peppa the pig, SpongeBob, and some elephant. And the last page is just about us, just explaining, that I'm a student in my second year, blah, blah, blah. It does work. It does work. Server, the node is added. The node is over here, index.js. It's in it's in the source code in here. So you can you can go through the pages and you can see it. But yeah, if you have any questions, just let me know. Thank you.